Hi everyone. So today we will discuss about the one of the solid principle that is the commonly asked by any of the interviewer, like what is the L in the solid principle. So you have to start first with the full form of the SL. So the L in the solid principle is the Liskov substitution principle, and after that you have to tell the definition of this Liskov substitution principle. So you have to tell object in a program should be replaceable with the instance of their subtype without altering the correctness of that program. So the subtype means we have the parent child relationship of the class. So there we will use the same object which we are creating through the parent class or the child class. So the same object we can reinitialize based on our requirement. So that is the things or that is the definition of this one. So you if you tell this one, so it will be more impress statement to the interviewer. So let's coming on to the practical side. So first of all we will discuss what is the problem statement we are getting or problem we are getting if we are not implementing the Liskov substitution principle. So here I'm using the Visual Studio 2019, so you can use any of the Visual Studio versions and it doesn't matter. So here you can see we have the Apple one and the Apple orange one. So in the Apple one we are just have the one method. This is a virtual type method. This is the get color. So get color basically it gives us the color. So the Apple one is red. So similarly when we are inherit, because I already told you like it should be the parent child relationship. So in the we are inherit this Apple one into the orange one. So we know that the orange color is yellow always, so it not be the red. So we are just overriding this method. So this is the concept we are using the polymorphism. So this one. So now the what is the problem here? So till now we can see there is a no problem. So the problem will come while when we are creating the object. So let's create the object into the program.cs. So if we have the Apple one and I created the object of Apple one equal to new and Apple one. So as per the definition, this object can be uh, replaceable by the subtype. So they if we can reinitialize this thing. So if we are doing Apple one equal to new, now we have the another class, the orange one, and we are using the same object, then we can see there is a no problem. So that is a good as of now. Now we now the problem statement here is in the creating the orange one, we have the orange one equal to new and we have the orange one. Till now there is a no problem. Now the problem will start here. So we can use the same object to reinitialize with the same object the other class. So if we have the Apple one and we are doing this thing, so now you can see we can't be initialize this thing. So you can see remove the useless assignment and all, there is explicit conversion exist. So this is the explicit conversion. So now we are facing the problem. So it this principle this LSP is not be followed by this class structure. So now we can resolve this problem with the different way. So to resolve this thing we need some interface or you can say abstract class. So meanwhile I just commenting this one and coming on to our example again. So for the time constant I already written the code for this one. So here you can see we have the abstract class. This is the fruit type, and after that this public have one abstract method that is the get color. So we are implement this abstract class into the concrete class. So Apple is we know that Apple is red, so we have the override method Apple is red. Similarly we have the orange is red, orange is yellow, sorry. So now we can do the same experiment into the program.cs. So we can mark as LSP, and here what we are doing, we are give the reference of fruit is a fruit equal to new, and here we can create orange or apple first. Apple, sorry, apple, and after that we can use the fruit dot, you can see get color is there, so we can right? Console.log or not console.log. There's a console.write line and all. And now fruit, we are using the same instance of object instance equal to, sorry, equal to new. And now we have the orange. So we have the orange. So now you can see there is no problem. And fruit dot get color, now it will reference to the orange one. So similarly, if we are creating the orange, and orange, we are creating the, sorry, not orange, we are creating, because we are using the fruit as a abstract class. So fruit 1 equal to new, and here we are passing the orange. There is no problem. And fruit 1 dot orange, sorry, get color. Now we can see there is no problem. Now coming on to this fruit 1 equal to new, and here we use the apple. So till now there is no problem. And now fruit dot get color. So you can see we can use the same object reference or instance, and we can manipulating or we can reassigning this thing based on our requirement. So this is the best example for LSP, Liskov substitution principle. I hope whenever any of the interviewer will ask you, so you can put this example, you can correlate this example with your any of the project example, so it will give the more impression or more good impression. I hope you enjoyed this session, and if any of the feedback, please let me know. I will try to improve much here. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening this one.